Hello and welcome to Pop Along RC, and today we are looking at a budget touring car. So where do we start with this? Team Powers is a company that we are very familiar with. We've been running the Team Powers 17.5 turn brush motor at the iconic Cup. We've also featured on the channel their Fronty touring car, which is a really nice car. As you can see here from the footage, it is a fantastic piece of kit. However, today we are talking four-wheel drive, and we are taking a closer look at their entry-level budget touring car. So let's begin. Team Powers supply the SNRC R3G car. Now this is a budget version of the R3G Pro, which is a combination of both SNRC and RACEOPT. So it's the basic platform but with upgraded hop-up parts in the Pro kit. So let's take a closer look at the R3G. As you can see here, it is a fantastic looking car and it has lots and lots of really good features. For a beginner getting on the track, it's got everything you need. Some simple adjustments such as the camber, the toe, you've got adjustments you can make to the shocks. This car has got everything you want. It is a belt driven four-wheel drive touring car. So there are more plastic components on this base entry-level version of the car than on the Pro version. But you know what? For the money, £110 on the website. So with postage, you might be looking at nearer £120. So actually, really good value. As you can see from the images here, shot in the studio, the car looks fantastic. Now, for those of you that want to test the water out with 1/10 scale touring car, this might be a good option for you. And for the tinkerers out there that like to upgrade their cars, you can do lots of upgrades to this car. You also have the option of buying a chassis upgrade and a conversion kit to turn it into the T3M. Now the T3M is a fully carbon fibre race machine. So why have we got the R3G? Well, we're not going to stay as an R3G. We have been advised to make a few little changes to it to make it a really competitive car. So what we are going to be doing is we are going to be changing over the chassis to the T3 conversion kit, and there's a few other little upgrades that we will also be adding to the car. So if you'd like to learn more about the changes we're going to make this car really competitive, then please like, subscribe and come back very soon for another video on how you can get this budget car racing really well on the track, and the car chassis will cost you as little as £300. So very affordable cars over at Team Powers. Do check out their website. If you like the video, give us a little thumbs up. We really appreciate the support. Hopefully for a series of videos as we make this journey back into 1/10 scale touring cars, we'll be sharing any tips and tricks that we pick up along the way. So please, as I said before, like and subscribe, and we'll see you again soon.